But we want to keep your pets healthy and happy, and so earlier Alex got some advice on treating a common condition found in dogs.
It's National Dog Day, and we're recognizing one of the most common diseases impacting our furry friends, canine osteoarthritis. Now, any dog is susceptible. Here to tell us more, veterinarian Dr. Kristen Kirkby-Shaw, joined by Meredith Kahn with American Regent Animal Health, is here. So thank you guys so much for joining us. What exactly is osteoarthritis, and what are some things that we should be looking out for?
So arthritis is the #1 cause of pain in dogs, and it's estimated to affect at least 1 out of 5 dogs. It's a degenerative condition of the joint that starts in young dogs and then progresses as they age. This is because it's almost always secondary to an underlying genetic or developmental condition such as hip dysplasia or elbow dysplasia. While any breed of dog can develop arthritis, there are certain breeds that have a greater risk, including Labradors, German Shepherds, and Golden Retrievers. Finally, one of the biggest risk factors for developing arthritis is if your dog is overweight.
Got it. Okay. And so what are some signs that we can look for that show that our dogs are suffering from this?
So in a young dog, what you're going to look for are things like limping or an abnormal gait, especially after play. As dogs age, what you're going to look for then are going to be just signs that you would think go along with aging, starting to slow down or not wanting to do the things that are typical for them, not wanting to go for walks, difficulty going up and down stairs, or just not getting up to greet you when you come home.
Right. Okay. And so Meredith, what are some ways that we can help our dogs health-wise?
Yeah, so early detection here and intervention is really key. Make sure that you talk to your veterinarian about implementing specific lifestyle changes such as dietary modifications for weight management and the prescription of medication like Adequan Canine, which is also called polysulfated glycosaminoglycan. Adequan Canine is the only FDA-approved injectable disease-modifying osteoarthritis drug for dogs, and it's proven to actually proactively treat the disease state and not just mask signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis, which really differentiates it from other options out there like over-the-counter supplements and non-steroidal anti-inflammatories.
Meredith is exactly right, and the one other thing I would add is that it's really important for dogs with arthritis to have regular low-impact exercise, like going for a walk every day.
Yeah, and remember that Adequan Canine is a prescription drug, so only a licensed veterinarian can determine if it's ultimately the right choice for your dog. Adequan Canine should never be used in dogs with known or suspected bleeding disorders, and it should be used with caution in dogs with a renal or hepatic impairment. And make sure that you discuss any side effects with your veterinarian, such as a hypersensitivity to the polysulfated glycosaminoglycan active ingredient as well.
Got it. All right. Really quickly, ladies, where can we get some more information?
For more information about arthritis in general and all of the treatment options available, you can visit caninearthritis.org.
You can also visit adequancanine.com, or you can call 1-800-458-0163, where you can request a full copy of the prescribing information for Adequan Canine.
Perfect. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining us. You guys can head over to our website, firstcoastliving.net, to check out this segment again.